Do you want to know one of the very most basic things about dog training? I'm Sandy Weaver and I bring out the inner winner in owner handlers. The most basic thing is it's very difficult to teach a dog anything if they're not paying attention to you. You need the dog's attention before you're going to be able to show it what you want. That's where bait comes in. So when you're training at home, you can use kind of a low level bait. You can use maybe pieces of their kibble dog food if they like their dog food, or crunchy cookies. But as soon as you take your training anyplace else besides your home or your yard, you're going to have to up the ante in order to keep your dog's attention. That's why at dog shows, people use things like, oh, grilled chicken or roasted chicken, or leftover steak from the steakhouse last night, or beef heart or beef liver. The better the bait, the more you're going to get your dog focused on you. Okay, maybe they're focused on the bait. It doesn't matter. It's easier to teach when you have their attention.